Hey y'all, what's up? It's me, it's Lauren. I'm back with another video. So today we're gonna do press on nails. I got these nails from Shein. Like, who knew Shein had press on nails? And they were only like $2. I promise. I'm telling y'all, like, y'all gotta get on Shein. So first things first, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this alcohol and a cotton pad and I'm gonna clean off my the top of my nails. Our nails naturally have oils and stuff, and when you like, you have to remove the oils and stuff from your nails so that the glue will stick better. Like, if you have oil on your nails, that's how people's nails be popping off and stuff, because they got like the natural oils on their nails. Your nails kind of got to be a little bit dried out. And so I'm taking this nail file here and I'm gonna just file the size. I really have really short nails. I already filed them off camera, but I like to narrow the size of my nails a little bit. It just kind of like helps it stick a little bit better. Okay, so once we done doing that, we're gonna get this cuticle pusher. So you want to push back your cuticles, and if it's like too much, like you got excess cuticles, then you're gonna take the other side and you're gonna like peel it up. Like, see me, I'm just pushing it back because it's not a lot, it's not a lot on my nails, but on certain nails, there's gonna be a little bit more, and you'll see in just a second. Like this one, I zoomed in because like you see it's like built up right there. So you take that little thing and you just like scoop it up. But don't put too much pressure because then your nail will start bleeding and stuff. Like you see like them little pieces, how it's just coming up like that. I can do it smoother, but like it was hard to do on camera. But you see that little piece right there? It's almost like a hangnail. And you got to make sure you get that out before you put these nails on. Because like if your cuticle and stuff is growing out too fast, your press-on nails, they're going to pop off. They're going to come off quick. So yeah, that's basically just what I'm doing this whole time. I try to get it all on camera, but y'all, this was hard to do like on camera. I couldn't even see. I'm glad I got these angles right because I couldn't see nothing I was doing this whole time on the camera. Okay, so here we go. We got the nails here. I'm about to pull them out the pack, but I just want to show y'all. I took the little plastic part out. You see that glare? I didn't want that glare to be in the camera. So you see what I'm saying? That's why I took it off prior to starting the video. So we're going to take these nails out, and we're going to do the most tedious part, which is sizing them up to our fingers. Oh, but before we do that, I like to use this tool. Now, this step is optional, but it really helps. If you don't have like this file thing, use like a regular nail file. Roughing up your nail bed just a little bit actually helps the glue stick a lot longer, a lot faster. It's just like almost like, you know how they rough it up at the nail shop before they do like acrylics. You want your nail bed to be somewhat, not like really bad or indented, but the glue needs something a little rough to stick onto. So here I am just sitting here trying different nails. Like, I got tiny fingers, so this was a hard process. So I skipped through that for y'all. Whew, but we got through it, y'all. Okay, so next, so you see I got my few laid out and we about to start gluing it down. I'm about to use this Kiss glue. You can use any nail glue. This actually comes with the sticker thingies, but it don't come with like actual nail glue. But I like nail glue because that's just what I do. So I coat my entire nail with the glue, and then I place the press on top. Yep, place the press on top. Okay, and y'all see how that little bit of glue like oozing out on the side? That is fine. You want more glue than not enough glue. You know what I'm saying? And I know it looks like I'm speeding through because I got the camera sped up a little bit, but I hold them for 10 seconds. I know they say 5 seconds, but I hold them for 10. I be like 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3, and I hold it at the top, at the bottom, on the sides, like, making sure that the glue is evenly, distributed, that it's all pressed down all the way throughout the nail. Okay, so you're just gonna do that to every single nail and just keep going. Like, see, these nails, they don't even need to be filed or nothing. Like, they just look good just straight out the packet. And then I told y'all they was like $2. Y'all get on Shein and get y'all some press-ons. I mean, I know in the store like they got some that are like $6, $8 or whatever, but these are cute and they kind of thick, so they stay on a little bit longer. So I'm just going through, like I said, coat the entire nail, put the nail on, hold it down. And that excess glue, you just want to wipe it off before it dries. Because when it dries all white and it gets gross. Like that little bit of glue right there, just swipe it. And you're just going to keep going and keep going and keep going until your hands are done. Simple, very cute. And these nails lasted me for like at least 2 weeks. Really could last 3 weeks, but I was at the gym and I was doing too much. So yeah. But anybody like a regular day, like I was fine. Like I could type with these because, at my job I have to do a lot of typing and filing and all that stuff. And they lasted for a minute. But I like to do my thumbs last because I know that when I'm doing the whole process, my thumbs, I gotta use my thumbs to like press down. So I always use my thumbs last. I do all my fingers, then I do the thumbs. And then, so, yeah, y'all see it. I don't even know what the fuck I'm talking about anymore. Oops. I mean, what I'm talking about anymore. I need to stop cussing on YouTube. Okay, y'all. So I'm gonna get this bio oil after we washed our hands. Make sure you wash your hands after doing this process. I got this oil because I don't want no ashy fingers. So I'm putting that bio oil on my hands. I like to put oil on my hands. I don't know why. That's just my thing. And I'm showing it to you under this camera like light, but it looks so much better in natural light. I'm gonna have a clip of that coming up in just a second. So these are the nails under the light. See, they're not giving like that. But they, I'm just showing you in studio light, quote unquote. Now, look at that. Look at that natural light. This is like mid-afternoon, like evening. You see that blue? It's like shiny. You see it? It's so pretty. They got them in that, and they got them in red too if y'all want red. But this blue is just doing it for me. But I thank y'all so much for watching. I appreciate every single person that clicked on this video, and I hope y'all have a good day. And show me y'all press-ons. Like, let me know how my process goes for y'all. Like, for real, y'all already know y'all can DM me whenever y'all need to. But y'all see these nails? Ooh, love it. Okay. So, thank y'all again so much for watching, and I'll see y'all next time.